Looking for the best dash cam to protect your car and record every moment on the road? A good dash camera can provide clear video evidence, enhance driving safety, and give you peace of mind while parked or driving. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dashcam front and rear. This 3-channel dashcam records simultaneously from the front, rear, and inside your vehicle with 4K plus 2K plus 2K resolution. It includes a 128GB memory card, dual-band Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and 24-hour parking monitoring. This dashcam is designed for maximum coverage and security. The triple camera system captures every angle around your vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full protection. The night vision and WDR technology provide clear footage even in low light conditions. Pros: triple channel recording for full coverage, ultra clear 4K front recording, built-in GPS tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi for faster transfer, 128GB card included, wide 170-degree viewing angle, a powerful all-in-one solution for drivers who want maximum monitoring and complete vehicle security. Number 2. 4K dashcam front and rear with 3-channel recording. This dashcam offers 4K front recording with additional interior and rear cameras. It features built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, HDR technology, a 3.16-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode. This model balances performance and usability. The IPS display makes playback easy, while HDR improves video clarity in challenging lighting conditions. The collision sensor automatically saves important footage during incidents. Pros: sharp 4K video quality, large IPS display for easy viewing, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, HDR for better night recording, free 128GB storage included, a reliable and feature-rich dashcam that offers excellent recording quality and user-friendly controls. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K dashcam. The R2 4K features UHD 2160p recording, built-in Wi-Fi 6, GPS tracking, night vision, and a 2.4-inch IPS screen with a 150-degree wide viewing angle. This is one of the most popular single-channel dashcams thanks to its strong performance and simple setup. Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster file transfers, while the camera delivers sharp and detailed video during both day and night driving. Pros: excellent 4K video clarity, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, easy installation and setup, compact and lightweight design, good night vision performance. Perfect for drivers who want high-quality front recording with simple operation and reliable performance. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is an ultra-compact 1080p dashcam featuring a 140-degree field of view, voice control, automatic recording, and a built-in clarity polarizer. This dashcam focuses on simplicity and discreet installation. Its small size makes it almost invisible on the windshield, while voice control adds convenience. Despite its size, it captures clear footage and works reliably. Pros: extremely compact design, easy installation, voice control functionality, automatic incident recording, reliable brand performance. Best for drivers who want a small, simple, and dependable dashcam without complex setup. Number 5. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS Dashcam F7N Touch. The F7N Touch features 4K front and rear dashcam with Sony STARVIS 2 sensor technology, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS, touchscreen display, and 24-hour parking monitoring. This dashcam delivers excellent night performance thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor. The touchscreen makes navigation smooth, while fast Wi-Fi allows quick video downloads. It offers premium features at a competitive price. Pros: outstanding night vision with STARVIS 2, 4K front and rear recording, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreen controls, voice control support, storage included. A premium dashcam with advanced technology, ideal for drivers who want top-tier performance and modern features. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. You can find all product links in the description below. If this video helped you choose the right dashcam, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. See you in the next video.